You wash your greasy dishes every single day with the exact same substance you're trying to wash off. Sounds like the dumbest cleaning method ever invented, right? Soap is technically made from oil or animal fat mixed with an alkaline substance called lye. That process is called saponification, and it's been used since ancient Babylon around 2800 BC. So when you squirt dish soap onto a greasy pan, you're basically fighting oil with oil. Here's the twist that makes it actually work. Soap molecules have two ends, one that loves water and one that loves grease. The greasy end grabs onto the fat on your plate. The watery end gets pulled away by the rinse. That tug of war is what lifts grease right off your dishes and down the drain. So every night, without knowing it, you're using ancient chemistry to trick oil into destroying itself. Your dish soap isn't fighting grease, it's recruiting grease's own cousin to betray it. And honestly, once you know that, doing the dishes never feels quite as boring again.